Next slide po natin, mga ka-person. Ito, 2024 ODQ3 automatic all-wheel drive, number of cylinder po niya is 4. Version po niya is progressive S-Line. Odometer po niya is 58,788 km. 96 months to pay or 8 years to pay. 145 tax included. Ayon. 145 tax included. White color na Audi Quattro. Ayan, check natin. Ayan, S-Line model. Nakasimitinted din po yung kanyang salamin. And then yung... Ayan. Oops. Ayan, maluwang din po yung kanyang trunk o yung kanyang compartment dito sa likod. And then spare tire, accessories, ayon, check. Oops. Taas ng snow ah. And then, hindi ko maabot. Ayan. Pindot siya. Q3. Ayan. And then, interior po niya rito sa likuran is ganito. Full sunroof, check. Leather seat, check. 5-seater seat, check. Ayan. And then, interior po niya in front is ganito po siya. Ayan. Check natin. Ayan. Audi. And then, yung adjustment po ng kanyang upuan is dito po siya. Pwede nyo siyang i-move forward, back forward, up, and down. Then, ito po yung kanyang susi. Ayan, 2024 Audi Q3. Then, kung ayan, may susi din siya rito. Ayan. Pero, press button start po siya. Ayan, press button start. Ayan, check. And then, heated seat po niya dito, magkabilaan. Ayan. Patayin natin yung kanyang fan. Okay. Ayan. And then, reverse camera po niya yon. Clear na clear po siya. And then, meron po siyang guide dito. Yan, natunog siya kasi malapit siya sa makapal na snow. Ayan. And then, yung parking brake po niya dito. Dipindot po siya. And then, hot steering wheel. Ito. Magagamit nyo ngayong winter. Diba? And then, meron din siya nito. Auto. Front. Yan. And then, same time, yan. Low kilometer siya. And then, of course, touchscreen din po siya. Ayan, media, radio, vehicle, help, user, message, phone. Ayan. Then, lagayan ng drinks, compartment, then full sunroof. Hindi ko na i-open yung kanyang sunroof. Mas babagsak ng snow. Ayan, 5-seater seat, leather seat, check. 4. And then, yung kanyang manual. Ayan. So, ulitin ko lang po, 2024 Audi Q3, automatic all-wheel drive, number of cylinder po niya is 4, version po niya is progressive S-Line, odometer po niya is yun. 58,912 km, 96 months to pay or 8 years to pay, 145 tax included. First change oil po niya is free, yung unang salpak din po ng kanyang summer tires libre, yan. Then, naka-included na rin po dyan yung engine and transmission, towing, electrical, and then yung dashboard ng inyong sasakyan. Ayan. Ayan, white color. Ito siya mga ka-person. Ayan. So, once again, 2024 Audi Q3, 96 months to pay or 8 years to pay, 145 tax included. Papihan na lang po kung sinong may gusto nito and then we'll process. Thank you!